So we're looking to trade this match, which is Preston against Wigan, and it's a cup match. It's an FA Cup match. Preston here, an odds-on favourite. Anyway, we've run this through the football trading Genie to get the target score formula that we're going to lock in. And we can see here, expecting kind of a low-scoring win in favour of Preston. So 1-0, 2-0, 2-1, and 1-1, and then 0-1 as the plan B. So anyway, we've got all set up on the correct score market. As you can see here, we're dutching these scores, and obviously we'll trade in play. Let's see what happens. Preston against Wigan, just about to kick off. So just reached half time. It's Preston 0, Wigan 0 at half time. So obviously the score lines, it was swinging towards a low scoring match, so it being 0-0 at half time is kind of expected. We could, if we really don't like the look of it, we could pretty much get out for a scratch trade. It's the beauty of correct score trading. Anyway, I've plugged in the numbers for the XG on this one, and the XG is pretty low also. So as it stands, there's no goals overdue. The current projected match result is a draw. So look, you could decide that, hey, do you know what, this match isn't quite like how I expected, or in some ways it is actually how we expected, but you could look at this and just be like, well, do you know what, I don't want to be involved, let me exit out for a scratch trade. But we did go into this expecting a low scoring match. We've got 1-0 and 0-1 covered in favour of Preston or Wigan, so actually this is probably going according to plan. We're going to stick with it. It's Preston 0, Wigan 0. We're not going to take any action right now, but we'll see how the second half develops. 75 minutes, you're not going to believe it. We've actually had a goal in this one. It's Preston 0, Wigan 1. Wigan have taken a lead just now, and if you do remember, Wigan was not the team we favoured. Wigan is the team we got the plan B on. So as it stands in this late stage, and just to show you, I want to update the XG. Well, I've updated the XG, update the correct score. So it's a very low XG. There's not really many goals overdue. So anyway, look, we're on a plan B sort of scenario. Best thing to do, we're going to lay it off. We're going to lay off all the risk, but potentially leave some upside should there be an equaliser. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to remove all risk from this, and then we'll see where we stand. And so that will put us, I mean, look, there is still profit to be taken, which is fair, and would be a nice profit considering it's been a bit of a dull match. But I do believe it's worth leaving some upside. If we look at that data, it's still saying current projected match result is a draw. We're on this 1-0. If we lay it off, worst case scenario as it stands, we're either going to make £9 or we're going to break even. But if we get an equaliser, we've got some very nice green on that 1-1. So it's good to put yourselves in these positions. Let's see what happens. Preston 0, Wigan 1, 77 minutes. 96 minutes on the clock. There's been a goal, but will this goal stand? It's a big question. And it's not going to stand. Preston just equalised. It's not going to stand. And it looks like that probably the last kick of the ball. Anyway, markets just went suspended. We were looking at potentially being on that 1-1. Goal's been disallowed, and that might well be the end of the match. And yeah, the market's gone suspended, so I don't think anything's going to happen. So there was a goal. The ball was in the net, but it's not going to count. So anyway, very, very close. As you saw, I mean, you saw, that's going to be it. So yeah, Preston 0, Wigan 1 is the final score now. So that's confirmed. So anyway, look, I mean, you saw how this match developed. You saw the football trading Genie anticipated a low scoring match. It was low scoring. It was 0-0 at half time. We finally got a goal. We got on the 1-0 to Wigan. Not the goal we wanted. So it's an awkward situation. We left a nice profit on that 1-1. It looked like we were going to get there in that last kick of the ball, but it wasn't to be. So we end up actually with a £9 profit. So anyway, look, it's one of those matches. It wasn't exactly a classic. We positioned ourselves nicely. We could have taken a profit when it went 1-0 to Wigan, but I still felt it was worth trying to chase that bigger profit on the 1-1. Didn't pay off this time, but the beauty of trading the correct score market, we broke even. We didn't lose anything. Or in fact, we made £9. That will definitely pay for a nice cold beer. Or at least it might in some places. Anyway, we're out on this one. It's Preston 0, Wigan 1. So if you like checking that out and you want to see more football trading clips just like this, then remember to hit the like button to let YouTube know, and YouTube will provide you with more clips just like this in the future. And in case you were wondering, the tool we're using in this video, it is the football trading Genie, and you can use this to start trading football with AI today. You can scan the QR code or click the link in the description and you can learn more about it or potentially get a demo, or if it's available, you might be able to just get it right away. So remember, the football trading Genie, this is your own AI powered football trading assistant. It's a great bit of kit. It's an absolute priceless time saver, and you've already seen how good it is. But anyway, if you want to see more about it or get a demo, as said, there are links in the description of this video, or you can scan the QR code that is on the screen and you could be trading football with AI today. So anyway, that is the football trading Genie. Definitely try and get your hands on that. And what you just watched was just a clip. And if you want to see the full video, which has many more real life trading demonstrations, just like the one you just watched, then click the video that is on the screen. The link to this video is also in the description of this video too. Anyway, click on that video and I'll see you in the next video.